In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel bookings and reservations. Um, Oftentimes, you will create meetings or meeting series, and things will change, and some of the bookings need to be canceled. And it's good to cancel bookings as soon as you know you no longer need the space, so that other people can possibly utilize that space. So knowing how to cancel your bookings easily and effectively is a good skill to have. So the first thing we need to do is create a meeting series that I can cancel. So I'm going to create a weekly reoccurrence pattern starting from 7 to 8 a.m. from now until the end of the year. I'm going to apply reoccurrence. I want to find space at St. Vincent's Medical Center for 10 people, no fancy setup. This should look fairly familiar if you've seen the reoccurrence pattern video, but this is of the 18 dates I have requested, 17 of them are available in this room. And I'm going to search remaining dates and find my one date that it wasn't available. Continue and put in my information. Submit. And so here is a list of all of my bookings for this reservation. So underneath View My Requests, it takes you to the reservation information, and this reservation has all of these bookings. Now from here, to cancel bookings, there are a couple things you can do. You can just click the red X next to a meeting that needs to be canceled, and it will cancel that, just that one individual booking. And it is gone. And you'll see the status is canceled. It will not remove it from this list. If you need to come back and know that this one was canceled, you can. The information is still here. You can cancel multiple bookings. I need to cancel this one, and this one, and cancel bookings. If you need to type a note that these notes are searchable, so if you want to put in information so that if you need to contact us to find meetings that you've canceled for a specific reason, you can do so. Mostly you don't need to use that. And those meetings were then canceled. The other option is to cancel all bookings. Now, it seems logical that if you were to cancel meetings, select all of them, and cancel bookings, that when you were done, everything would be canceled and this reservation would no longer be here. That is not the case. If you cancel bookings in this manner and remove them all this way, it leaves the reservation as active so that you could come back and add bookings later to the same reservation. So you know you're going to have this meeting later. For whatever reason, these dates didn't work out, but you still want the reservation there so you don't have to go through that entire process again. You can cancel bookings that way and leave the reservation active. If you want to actually cancel the reservation so that it does not show up underneath your View My Request lists, then you have to actually use the Cancel All Bookings button. And it's, again, very similar. All of those were canceled, but when I come back to my request summary, it is no longer underneath my list. It will be underneath this list, though, if you check mark the Show Canceled button. From here, you can go in here and add bookings if you needed to reactivate that reservation. So that is how to cancel bookings within Virtual EMS.